Kia ora tātou, everybody.
This activity helps to create a whānau learning environment. It provides an opportunity for people to share information about themselves and connect with others.
Following tikanga Māori, when we first meet, after the formalities of karakia, ruru, hongi, we get the opportunity to actually say something.
There are, of course, many ways of introducing yourself. What tribe, what village, what island, what distinguishes your whenua. But keep them focused.
Ko wai koe, who are you? O no hea koe, where are you from?
Split into small groups and have each group introduce themselves to each other.
My name is Tuiloma Lina Samu. My parents are migrants here to Aotearoa from Samoa. I was actually born here.
New Zealand born Samoan.
Brenda Munro, I'm from Rotorua.
My wife is Ngāti Pro Ngāti Whātua, and we're living here in Auckland and Titarani.
My grandparents adopted me, so they brought me over to New Zealand when I was very young.
I was born in Te Kōpuru, which is north of Dargaville.
Then one from each group introduces the others, using a map to point out exactly where they're from.
Brenda, her parents and grandparents, all from here from Aotearoa and Rotorua. And Len and I, our ancestors come from Samoa.
One of my team members, Pali, he is from Samoa. There's Samoa there. My other colleague, Janet, she is from Dargaville. And me, I am from the rock called Niue Island. A change from the name that used to be called the Savage Island because Captain Cook didn't like us.
This is an activity that enhances Whanaungatanga. The emphasis is on this. Whānau meaning family, developing family-like relationships in our organisations. Great.